So you can see right here that yesterday I was able to generate $350 just in this one affiliate account. And you can see right here, the last 4 weeks, just using totally free strategies, I've been able to generate $3,300. Now, as you follow me in this video, I'm literally going to share with you a totally free copy-paste method anyone can do worldwide that will allow you to get your affiliate link in front of thousands of people with just a click of a button. So if you're excited to learn that, be sure to smash the like button right now, and let's go ahead and dive right in to this powerful method. Okay, so first off, we need to find a product to promote. Now, in this video, we're going to be using ClickBank. So if you don't have a ClickBank account, just go to clickbank.com, go right here to start here. And then once you do, you can actually create a free account. Just answer these simple questions here. Okay, go through the process and you can create an account. Now, once you're inside, you'll be able to go to the marketplace, and then you will see all these different categories or niches of products you can promote. Now, I will say ClickBank is not my favorite place to find products. Often the payouts are a little bit slow and you don't earn a high percent commission. If you want to get paid instant 100% commissions, I will include a link directly below to my #1 program that you can check out. But in this video, we will be using ClickBank, and we're going to use the health and fitness niche. So just click health and fitness, and we want to sort results by gravity, okay? High to low. And what this is going to do is share with us the best selling products at the very top. So the better selling the product, the better chance we'll be able to sell it as well. Now on ClickBank, we're actually going today to promote Java Burn, which at the time of recording is very popular. When you find a product you want to promote on ClickBank, just click promote, put in your affiliate nickname, which you created when you joined ClickBank, and then just go down and you can copy this affiliate link at the bottom. Now, once you do, I like to actually put it into a notepad file like this, and you can keep this handy, as you'll see a little bit later when we use it. Now, inside this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be leveraging the power of purchase traffic. So traffic is just visitors to a link. But what we're going to understand is there's actually these different types of traffic. So we have awareness, interest, consideration, intent, and purchase. As you go down, okay, it's getting closer and closer to someone making a purchase. So if you were to promote a product, let's say in health and fitness, and you wanted to promote based on the awareness type of traffic, you may target keywords if you want to do certain articles, such as how to lose weight. Or if you do videos on YouTube, you could do how to lose weight at home, right? These are very awareness based. People are aware they have a problem, but they're not close to buying a product. In this method, we're going to use purchase or buyer intent traffic so we can get people with credit card in hand right before they purchase, seeing our content that we're not even going to have to create ourselves and buying through our link. So it's way faster, way easier, and as you'll see, way simpler. Now this step right here is very powerful, but in the next segment, I'm going to explain a simple trick that it can enhance your promotional efforts overnight. So now what we're going to do is go over to Chat GPT. Now, if you don't have an account on Chat GPT, it's free. You just create an account. Now, what we want to do is we want to type in and have Chat GPT generate us an article that we can then distribute on different websites for free, getting people to go to our affiliate link. So now if we go back to ClickBank here, we want to double check the name of this product. So this is Java Burn. So then we want to go to Chat GPT, and we want to first verify that Chat GPT knows this product. Hey, are you familiar with the product Java Burn? Okay, so first we want to make sure that it does know what it is. If not, we'll have to tell it a little bit of information. So as you can see right there, it knows what it is. And now we can say, okay, great, create a 1,000 word review of Java Burn, recommending it, and then at the end, segue to promoting our affiliate link, and at the end have a disclaimer that there is affiliate links inside. Okay, so this is basically going to create a review for us, recommending it. So it's not a review saying to stay away, it's a review actually recommending it. And then it will segue where it's going to lead people to want to go through our affiliate link to learn more and ultimately buy. And it's going to have a disclaimer. So this is going to be safe to post on the sites I'll share in just a second. So go ahead and send that there. And you can see in literally seconds, it is creating this incredible review. There we go. It actually created it in literally seconds. And you can see right here, it is an incredibly in-depth, very value-packed review. And you see it even has potential drawbacks, making this review seem less biased, like it's just for selling. And then why we recommend. So ultimately, we do recommend it. And then how to get started. So it says, if you're ready, we recommend clicking here. And that's where we will insert our affiliate link. And then it has a disclaimer. Okay. So this is going to allow us to post on different sites because you do have to often, for the FTC, give a affiliate disclaimer. So now what we want to do is we want to copy this here because we're going to be using this on different websites as we distribute this article. Okay, so now just open up a Google document or any type of document on your computer or even on your phone, because what I like to do is I like to actually paste this in here so we keep this handy, because like I said, we're basically just going to be copy and pasting this and distributing it on other websites. Okay, so here are a few websites that I like to actually share these review articles. Number one is LinkedIn. A lot of people don't know LinkedIn is actually a great place to promote different types of offers because people go here for value and they want to learn different things. So you can create a very simple LinkedIn profile, and then all you have to do is once you're on your profile, just go to write article here. Okay, and then once it's here, we have title. So you can just go to this document here. We want to just copy the title like that. Go back, put title, boom. And then for right here, you can just go back here and literally just copy this here. Now, I know I'm moving kind of quick, but I want to share with you how fast you can literally do this on a daily basis. It's so simple. You can see right here, this is absolutely incredible. This literally is our full review article. And then all you have to do is towards the bottom where it says click here, just highlight this, click this little paper clip. Okay, open up our notepad here with the link, and then just literally apply it like this. And now it's clickable. Okay, now you can actually add a photo here. You can go to Google Images and add a photo if you want to make this, even better. But this right here is plenty. And then we just click next. And then you can write something, this is a review of my favorite weight loss supplement. Right? And then you can publish this. Now, the next step on LinkedIn is we want to get the link to this article. So just click here to copy that link. And then what we want to do is we want to go up here and we want to search a couple words that have to do with what we just posted about. So I can type in something like weight loss. Okay, and I can actually just search this here. And they have all these different groups. So you can see this one right here, weight loss exercise tips, 14,000 members. So you can join these groups. And now what you can do is you can actually join. You can post the link to your article. So you're actually posting the article inside of these groups that are targeted, over 14,000 members interested in the topic. A lot of them will go to the article, they'll read over it, they'll go to the affiliate link at the bottom, right here, and then they'll actually decide to buy. Now, some of these groups have different rules, so you don't just want to be spamming your link. You want to give some value, engage, and after a day or two, you can start subtly leading people to your articles. You can say, hey, I found this article here. Check it out, guys, and see what you think. Now, the next place you can actually share articles. Now, stay tuned because in a sec, I'll reveal the secret strategy top affiliates use to make passive income effortlessly. But before that is a place called vocal.media. So all you have to do is go to vocal.media and then just click become a creator. Now, this site is free to actually share your stories, share your articles, and we can leverage this to share this same article here. So just go and click, once you're a member, okay, click create story, okay, like this. And then basically what's going to happen is you can go back to this document and you can just go ahead and copy this right here, paste it in the title. And then down here where it says start writing, we want to copy again the rest of this here. Okay, just like that. And again, go to the very bottom where it says click here. Okay, we want to highlight that. We want to get our affiliate link. Okay, we want to click this link here, the same icon, which will actually let us put in that affiliate link, and then just click right there. And now that is clickable. And then all you have to do is go back and then just click save changes. Okay, so after that, with this one, we do want to add an image because we actually want to submit this to be reviewed and ultimately posted. So we can actually just click unsplash image here and then just type in a few words that have to do with the niche you're in. So I can do weight loss in this example. And then we just want to pick one that looks pretty good. I mean, this one right here can be perfect. right? And then just click Save Changes. Now, often that will actually get you to be able to submit it. If it still has this headline right here where it says submit for review will become available, you can also try adding a subtitle. So read more to learn all about this. Okay, and then we can save here. And there you go. See, so we've actually gotten that to go away because we filled out all the parts. And then you can just click submit for review. Choose a community. So I can choose, one of these, right? In this example, I mean, we could do like education. Okay, you want to choose a community and you just want to add a tag right here. So you can kind of look through and try to find one. And right here it says product review. So that's perfect. And then submit for review. Now, as I showed earlier, we are focusing on the buyer and purchase intent traffic so we can make sales as fast as possible. Now, a lot of people will go to sites like LinkedIn or they'll go to sites like vocal.media and they'll come across the text post that we posted and they'll read over this article. But some people do not want to read. So we can even have videos reviewing these products, leading people to our affiliate link. And the way you would do that, if you don't want to create the video yourself, is you can go to Fiverr.com. So Fiverr.com allows you to pay people very cheap amount, one-time payments to get people to do things for you. So I can type here and do spokesperson. And we can search that here. And this will share these people that will actually be a spokesperson for our videos, okay? And you can see the different prices. And if you're willing to pay just a small amount, okay, like this one right here is $10. Okay, this one right here is starting at $50. But again, you want to keep in mind how much money you'll actually make with this video, okay? So let's say right here, we can choose this guy here. And then you can look right here and it says, green screen video from 1 to 100 words is $50, okay? And this guy has 51 5-star reviews, which is pretty good. So if we wanted to pay this guy to create a review video, you could just continue, go ahead and pay. And then typically this guy will ask you for a script after you do that. So what we can do is go back to this right here, this Chat GPT, and just say, can you create a script for a spokesperson reviewing this and giving a call to action at the end of the review video? Make it less than 100 words. Okay, and just send that there. And literally in seconds, it will create a powerful script for us. Okay, and then all you have to do is copy this script. It says, are you looking to boost your metabolism? Java Burn is a tasteless powder, etc. Then it gives a call to action. It tells people to click the link below to get your Java Burn today. So again, you can copy this script and then give it to this guy. And within a couple days, it says 3-day delivery, he will deliver this. Now, what do we do with this video? What you can do is create a free YouTube channel and you can post your review on YouTube. Now, I just typed in Java Burn review so you can see that other people are doing this. Key things you want to do is you want to actually have the keyword in the title. So Java Burn reviews or whatever product you're doing. So product name review. You want to include it in the tags. You also want to include it in the description. So you can see this person right here is actually doing this method. Okay, so I opened up the video and you can see literally this person is doing this. Okay, so they have the keywords in their title. It's a very short video, okay? So chances are this girl is not with this channel. This person just paid this girl to do this. And you can see right here, they have their affiliate link in the very top of the description. And then they have a description, which you could literally just copy this right here as your description. And then they even have some of these right here, which can actually help the video rank because it's even more keywords in the description. All they did was upload it on a channel. It got so far 778 likes, over 8,000 views, and a lot of people are going to this link right here. And when they go to this link, they will buy the product. So you could even do that. Now, as you can see right here, the thumbnail is important. Okay, so you can see right here, this is a very eye-catchy thumbnail. Now, if you want to create those thumbnails for free, you can just go to canva.com, go to create a design, select YouTube thumbnail. And then once you're here, they have all these different templates. Now, some of these are paid, but a lot of them are free. Like you can use this one here. And if you want to edit any of this, like the words, you can just click on here. So I can say Java Burn secrets, and I can move that over like this, right? Just do some editing. Okay, I can move this person over a little bit, right? And they're right there. That is a thumbnail. And you can go ahead and just click here, download to your computer, and there you go. Start posting these reviews. Now, the key to this method is consistency. You want to consistently consistently be posting reviews and articles on these different platforms, and over time they'll rank. People will go to your affiliate link, and when they buy, you will start making money. Now, before you go, like I said, I highly recommend you click the first link below. Check out my #1 affiliate program. It literally will pay you instant 100% commissions. You don't have to wait a long time to get paid. You don't have to give a portion away to the product creator. You can make the sales and keep all the money using this powerful method. So be sure to subscribe also with the bell icon. I'm going to be posting more videos just like this every single week. Hit the like button if you got value. And until next time, my friend, thanks for watching, and I will see you on my next stream.